How to enable notifications in CoinEx application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using the CoinEx app and want to make sure you don't miss important alerts like deposits, withdrawals, price updates, and more, don't worry. Here's how you can enable notification in an easy way. First of all, open the CoinEx mobile application on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the avatar icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside this page, click on Notifications. Inside Notification tab, tap on App Push to enable the push notification. Now click on Set Now at the top, and then it'll take you to your device's notification tab to allow CoinEx notification. Click on the notifications option and toggle on the button right next to allow notifications. Now, once you allow notification, you'll be able to turn on the push notification setting in the app. Now you'll stay updated with everything happening in your CoinEx account. You can also go ahead and enable or disable notifications that you want, and you can also turn off the notification you don't want by toggling on or off the switch. And there you have it. That's how you enable the push notification in the CoinEx app. Now, if you go back and if you want to turn on the email notice notification as well, tap on email notifications and make sure all of these options are turned on. If you want to turn off the email notifications, then you can turn off the options just like that. So there you have it. That is how it's super easy to turn on and off the notification setting in your CoinEx application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.